Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I took this room from this to this. You guys love this living gallery wall so much, so I thought I'll show you how we did it. We started off by painting the wall. The paint that we chose was the Krylon chalkboard brush on in black. Next, I'm going to take regular children's construction paper and I am going to map out the gallery wall. Here's a snapshot of everything you're going to need for this project. I am going to simply take an extra piece of construction paper and trace out the hanging mechanism of the planter. And I'm going to set that aside. This is the Wally Gro Eco Planter in charcoal. As you can see, there is all the pieces you need inside of the planter. I simply take out all of the pieces and set it up. That divider is the perfect way to water your plant while it's on the wall. I mean, they seriously thought of everything. Oh, and did I mention these are made from recycled milk jugs? Brilliant, I know. Anyway, I throw my gold pothos in there, get them organized and set up the way that I want them. I then throw in my soil, and it's that simple, you guys. Quick recap. Remove all of your hanging mechanisms from inside of the planter, fill it with your favorite plant, mount the brackets, and hang it. And look how gorgeous they look. All right, so I want to show you guys exactly how I was able to get this up and have everything perfect. That same piece of paper we set aside, I am now going to line it up with the construction paper I already have on the wall, and I'm going to take a pencil and dent that into my sheetrock. Yes, and then I'm going to follow up with my drill with the 1/4 bit. I'm then going to follow up with hammering in the anchor. I'm going to place the screw inside of the hanging mechanism, and I'm going to hand screw that into the wall, and then you simply place your Wally Eco planter into its designated space. It can't get any easier than this, you guys. Here's a fun time lapse of exactly what I did to get my gallery wall up. It's super simple. Once I had my system in place, I was able to zoom through this in about 30 minutes. That's how easy this was. You'll notice I'm not getting any help from anybody. It's so easy. I love using these planters. Not only are they eco-friendly, they are also so stylish. The website has over 13 color options, so definitely go and check them out. Comment below, is this something that you guys can see yourself doing in your home? I mean, look at this. What an upgrade. This is so bomb. I get so many people asking about this wall. Well, now you guys know. Thank you for watching, and make sure you guys head over to themariaantoinette.com for more information on this post and all posts. Bye.